Hello everyone, welcome to iTech Analytic Solutions channel. In this tips and tricks video, today I'll be teaching you how to create custom option buttons and checkboxes. So before starting this video, please do subscribe to our channel so that you'll be getting more interesting videos like this. Let's see how to create these custom option buttons and checkboxes. Now what we're seeing is the default option button and the checkbox what is available in Excel. So to create these option button and checkboxes, we'll go to this developer and then we'll use this insert and say checkbox and option button. But if you want to create a custom option button and checkboxes which are more elegant than what we have with this default buttons, we have to create something like this. Let's check. These are the option buttons, or we can create checkboxes something like this. Let's see how to create these custom option buttons and checkboxes. Let's go to this sheet. I have made a steps here. So how to create these custom option buttons and also custom checkboxes. First thing is, let's create shapes. That is, since our option buttons are actually in circular in shape, so I'll take a circle and I'll put it here. Let's make four shapes here. So already I've created one. Take Control C and we'll make four shapes. So I'll put shapes here, one more shape here. Let's try to align it properly. Select all the four shapes and go to align, say vertical and say left. Right. So we have created four shapes. Now let's format this. I'm selecting these four shapes. Go to this format and we'll say fill color as white and we'll take the border as orange. The colors you can choose according to your template. If you want, you can increase the weight here. Right. The formatting is done. Let's rename the shape so that it will be easy for us to write macros on each shape. Let me select this shape. I will name it as OPTA and the next one is OPTP, OPTC and OPTT. Now we have renamed the shapes. Let's write a macro for this. The macros are very easy to write. So we'll go to this VB editor to write macro for all these shapes to convert this into option button. The Alt F11. I have already written a code here, but I'll show you how to write these simple macros. Let's create a macro to assign for these shapes. Right click, insert a module, sub custom OPT button. Name str name as string. Str name equals application dot caller. This application dot caller will give me the name of the shape whichever I've clicked. Now here we'll go and try to color this button whichever you have clicked. Now if I need the color, so I need to get the RGB color of this particular shape which I've clicked. So what I'll do, let me select this and see what is the RGB color of the option button what I'm trying to color. Say go to format, I'll try to color it with this orange color. To get the RGB code, I can go here. I can select this fill more colors. So I'll get the RGB code. It says 237, 125, 49. Right. So here I have captured it 237, 125, 49. According to your template colors, you can change this as well. Right. Now what we'll do here, we'll say with sheet, I have a sheet 5 here, say end width. Let's change the color of all this to white before coloring each individual shape which we click. Say dot shapes of OPPA dot fill dot say core color dot RGB equals RGB 255, 255, 255. So this will make this option button A as white color. Similarly, let's change all the four shapes to white color. B, C, D. Next, what we'll do is we'll try to change the color of the clicked shape to orange. Say dot shapes. Now I'll use this str name which captures the object name, that is the option button name. So I'll use this str name dot fill dot core color dot RGB equals, I'll give this RGB as 237 and 125 and say 49. Now I'll assign this macro to these shapes. Select all the shapes, right click, assign macro, and I'll assign this macro. Right, let's go and click on this. This works. So this is how I can create a custom option button. Now let's see how I can create a custom checkbox. Here I given all the steps how to create it. So what we'll do, first step is I'll create square shapes. Why square? Because the checkbox what you see here is in square in shape. So you can take any shape, but to make it similar to the checkbox, I'll take it as square. So you can use circle or square or any kind of shape you like. So I'll go here, I'll create square like this, try to reduce it, and then I'll keep it here. Let me make a copy of it. I'll make four shapes here. I'll keep next to this option. Similarly, I'll align like what I did for option button. Let me select all these shapes. Again, we'll go here and say vertical, say left. Yes. Now we have created the shape. Next is formatting of the shape. Let's select all these four shapes. We'll try to format it. I'll say fill color white and I'll take the orange border. And again, you can choose your color according to your template. I will say weight as something like this. Right. Let's rename the shape. So always have the habit of renaming the shape if you are trying to write a macro on that shape. Select this. For these shapes, I'll use CHKA, and the second one will say CHKB, third one CHKC, and CHKD. So I have renamed all the shapes. Now let's change the font of it because the tick mark what I'm using will be of the font Wingdings. There is a font called as Wingdings which will help me in having the character inside this as a tick mark. Let me select all this shape again. So I will change this to Wingdings. You can change it anytime. And then I'll align this so that the text whatever I'm giving, it will be in the center of these shapes. So I've used this middle and the center alignment. Right. Now how to insert a tick mark. Now let's go here. I'll click anywhere in the cell, say insert, and let's take a symbol. Here we'll go to this Wingdings, and if you scroll down, I'll get this tick mark. So that's why I told change all these shapes font to Wingdings and say insert, say close. So now I have this tick mark here. We'll keep it as is. We'll use this in the code. Now let's go to this macro. That is, we'll go to VB editor to write a macro, and then we'll see how we can insert a tick mark for all the shapes which we have clicked. say Alt F11. I've already written a code also here. If you can see this, I'm just changing the character of each shape. Now, whichever shape I'm clicking, so that shape has to get a tick mark. So this is the tick mark character. So what I'm trying to do again, I'm trying to take the clicked shape name and I'm checking here what is the character I have in that shape. If I have a character with tick mark, then make it blank, or if it is blank, then give a tick mark. So this is the logic what I've used. Let's go here and we'll write the macro for that. It's sub custom checkbox. Let's take a variable thing str name as string, theme str text as string. This str name will take the name of the shape, str text will take the character of the shape. So here we'll say str name equals application dot color. This application dot color will give me the name of the shape. Now we'll take str text. To take the text, so what I'll do is I'll take the shape. So the shapes are in sheet 6 dot shapes of str name. So whatever shape I'm clicking, so I'm trying to get the shape and their characters. So I'll go here, say dot text frame dot characters dot text. So whatever text is there in the shape what I've clicked, that will be assigned to this variable. Now we'll put one conditional statement saying that if str text equals blank, then else end. Now what we'll do here, we'll copy this and we'll paste it here. The shape, whatever is there, the whatever shape I've clicked, we'll say equals, this should be the tick mark, and here I'll say blank. So if it is blank, that should become tick mark. If it is tick mark, then it should become blank. So here, let's put the tick mark character. So we have taken the character here. Let me copy this, Control C, and then I will paste it here. Right, now my code is ready. Let me copy this. Now let's assign the macro for all these shapes. Let me select all the shapes, right click, assign macro, then I'll assign the macro here, which we have written. Say OK. Now when I click on this, the font color should also be changed. When I click on this, now the font color is not changed. So what we'll do, let me select on this shape. Quickly, we'll change the font color to any of these colors, whichever. When I click on this, I'll get the tick mark. Now, let's try to increase the font size. Select this, and then let's say I'll increase this to 14. Yes, this is sufficient. Or if you think you want to increase more, you can still increase this. Now, if I click on this, I'll get the tick marks here like this. So this is how you can create the custom checkbox. So after this, we'll delete this tick mark. If you want, you can save this and you can use it in your templates. So this is what we have in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please like and share. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.